Introduction to AL Programming in Business Central. AL, Application Language, is the programming language used to develop custom extensions and manipulate data in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. With AL, you can create, modify, and manage data within the Business Central database, making it essential for anyone looking to customize or extend Business Central applications. Some of the key concepts in AL are as follows. Data manipulation. AL allows you to retrieve, insert, and modify records in the Business Central database. This is crucial for ensuring data aligns with business rules and remains consistent. Event triggers. AL uses triggers to execute code in response to specific events. For example, triggers like onInsert, onModify, and onDelete run when corresponding events occur in the system. These triggers are available in various objects such as tables, pages, and reports. Custom functions. You can create your own functions in AL, known as procedures. These functions can perform specific tasks and can be called within your AL code using function triggers. Variables. AL allows the creation of variables to store temporary data and perform calculations within your code. Through AL programming, you can add new data or transfer data between tables, example from a journal to a ledger. Combining data from multiple tables into a report or a page. There might be a few questions that come to mind, such as how is AL code executed, or where do you write AL code? Let me explain. You can initiate AL code execution through actions or any object that instantiates an AL object, like a variable declaration. An AL code can be added in triggers across multiple objects, including tables and table extensions, pages and page extensions, reports, XML ports, queries. Understanding these basics of AL programming will help you get started with creating powerful customizations in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. I also recommend exploring best practices, rules, and guidelines for AL programming, including Business Central design patterns. This will greatly enhance your skills and help you develop more effective and maintainable solutions.